Hey guys, Bryan Lebo here with a quick July Summerlin market update video for you. Now, first up, let's check out last month's sales. If you watched my Las Vegas market update video for July, then you already know that last month was an amazing month for all over the valley with regards to sales. Well, Summerlin was no slouch either. Last month, we sold 182 homes in Summerlin alone. Unlike the rest of the valley that peaks in May, Summerlin always tends to peak in June for sales. Well, not only did we peak at 182 homes, but we literally blew away our May sales. For the past 3 years, June sales are never more than 3 to 15 more homes than May. Well, we sold 43 more homes last month than we did in May, which is a new modern-day record for Summerlin. Even more importantly was the fact that every single month this year, our sales have been down when compared to last year. Last month's sales were up 9% from June of 2014. Okay, now let's check out our actual inventory levels. As you can see now on the screen, we currently have 590 homes for sale in Summerlin. This is only 2 less than last month's 592. But more importantly, this shows some stabilization in our market. All right, now let's break down our inventory. About 4% of our market are short sales, 2% of our market are foreclosures, and 94% are traditional sales. The only real change here is that we've got about half of the short sales that we did when we started the year. So let's go ahead and wrap things up and make some sense out of this market. Sales went through the roof last month, inventory is stable, and we're seeing less and less short sales in Summerlin. Now, as I covered in the Las Vegas market update video, median home prices in the valley have risen 10% this year already. Most of that increase has occurred in the past 3 months. As you can see on the screen right now, the reason that I don't cover Summerlin median prices is because with so few sales, the median price tends to fluctuate up and down too much to be considered relevant data. What I can say though is that the statistical median price hasn't really budged much at all. But that's not to say that prices haven't changed. Like I covered in depth last month, the market in Summerlin is incredibly dependent on price range and zip code. What is universally true, however, is that the low end of the market is still on fire. There's a very high demand for homes priced under $300,000, and it's saturated with buyers. What I'm seeing is that homes priced over $300,000 in Summerlin have pretty much plateaued all year. Really nice homes are squeezing a few bucks more, while less desirable homes are actually selling below comps now. But again, I haven't seen much of a difference. The low end, however, has been on fire, like I said. Homes that were priced under $200,000 just a few months ago have gone up 10 to 15% almost overnight. So what does all of this mean? Ultimately, I think the low end is about to plateau, since you can't sustain those types of increases without pushing the values of the homes above you up as well. Since those homes above aren't increasing in value, the bottom really has to plateau. Overall, as we start to wind down from summer, demand starts to slow down as well, and that tends to calm pricing. I think that the overall market is actually fantastic right now in Summerlin. If you're looking to sell, now is definitely the time, especially if you're looking to sell a larger family type home, since summer is the time for families to start making their moves. If you're a buyer, however, it really depends. On the low end of the market, I would still be very aggressive, since neighborhood values seem to fluctuate overnight lately. One big sale in the neighborhood could raise prices $10,000 to $15,000 overnight. If you're looking over $300,000, then time's vastly on your side. While the holidays are the best time for deals, unfortunately, less homes also tend to get listed as well. If you find a home that you love, just go ahead and make the deal now. But waiting a few more months isn't really going to cost you anything if you're not ready yet, and of course, you're over $300,000. Well, that's it for July. If you like what you saw and would like to learn more about the overall market, please click down here. Thanks again for watching. Click here to subscribe, and have a fantastic month, everyone.